I got cut off. My videos can only be 5 minutes. What I was saying before, to finish solving this one-step equation, I had a negative 12. To make negative 12 go up to 0, I have to add 12 to both sides. Negative 12 plus 12 is 0, leaving me with that variable x by itself because x plus 0 is 0. And on the other side, I add 12, 5 and 2 is 7, 1 and 1 is 2, so x equals 27. Notice all of these equations, we just had to do one thing to solve. That's why they're called one step. Two quick examples of two-step equations. We're going to start by drawing a line through the equal sign. And then we always get rid of the constant first and then the coefficient. The constant is the number that's alone. The coefficient is the number that's being multiplied by the variable. The constants, our goal is to get them to change to be a 0. And my coefficient, I've said this multiple times, the coefficients we need to get to be a 1. So to get a plus 4 to go to 0, I'm going to take away 4 from both sides. I'm left with the 2x. I haven't done anything with that 2, so it stays there. 16 minus 4 is 12. That's my first step, but this is called a two-step equation, so I have one more step. 2 times x, the opposite of multiplication is division. 2 divided by 2 is 1. I got my coefficient to be a 1. If I divide this side by 2, I have to divide the other side by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. X equals 6. You could check that answer by replacing the x with the 6. 2 times 6 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16, which is what I want. This other problem is a little bit sneaky because there's so many negatives, but that's okay. We can do it. Whenever I see a subtraction problem, I always start by adding the opposite. So this becomes plus a negative 7. And again, we go back to this rule. Constants, we want them to become zeros. So to make this negative 7 go up to 0, I add 7 to both sides. The 7's cancel. I'm left with the negative 3x. That negative stays with it. 14 plus 7 is 21. That was my first step. Now I have to get rid of the coefficient. The coefficient I need to make 1, so I'm going to divide by negative 3. Whatever the coefficient is, we divide by that exact same thing. The negative 3's cancel because negative 3 divided by negative 3 is 1. And 21 divided by negative 3 is negative 7. These signs are different, so the answer is negative. X equals negative 7. Thank you.